from Scotland. Thank you, Janet, for visiting us here in Vivian Hair Design. So we did for a beautiful, nice bob a haircut. Let me show it to you. It's really nice, beautiful, and this is all her own hair color. It's gorgeous. I really love it. Nice bob a haircut for ladies, easy and simple to blow dry. And I really like it. I'm really happy with the result. We will ask our model Janet today from Scotland how she feel with the haircut we did for her today. So Janet, how do you feel today?
Feel fabulous. Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much, Janet. And we wish you a happy birthday tomorrow. Thank you so much. And happy birthday to you. Thank you, the most beautiful lady in the world. Thank you. We'll say bye-bye to everybody. Bye.